Do you run out of money before the end of every month? Do you think saving money is only for rich people?
If you answered yes, then this channel is for you. Welcome to Parchaki Money Lab.
Your place to learn smart saving, budgeting, and wealth-building strategies. Today, prices are going up everywhere.
Expenses keep growing, but income doesn't always keep up. Many people make good money, yet still struggle to save. The problem isn't always income. It's financial knowledge.
And that's where Parchaki Money Lab comes in. We'll teach you when to save, how much to save, and how to make every dollar count. You'll learn budgeting, emergency funds, investing, and financial freedom strategies.
Everything explained in simple, easy-to-understand language. Because wealth isn't built overnight.
Every financial success story starts with one small step.
And now, it's your turn to take control of your financial future.
Subscribe to Parchaki Money Lab today.
And turn on notifications so you never miss a money-saving tip. Learn smart, save more, grow wealth. Subscribe now.